Lightning storm captured in St. Mary. Frightening and scary were among the words Jamaicans on social media used to describe an apparently rare lightning storm on Saturday evening. The series of lightning strikes, reported in sections of eastern parishes, had people running for cover and claiming it as a sign from God. Loop News writer Ansri Thomas was in the Change Hill district of Karen Hall, St. Mary when he captured the epic lightning storm.